All right, man. What do we got going on today?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
Nothing. Bucket list.
Bucket list. That's cool. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Man, you got some fancy suits on. I got a fancy suit on. It looks like we're ready to rock and roll, man.
Yeah. So.
Let's get this. Woohoo! Action poses. Yep, slow down. All right, you got a good grip, right? You're flying, bro.
Oh, hell yeah!
Get a look at this stuff from Colorado, man. It's all Skydive and tell me, how are you feeling?
Great, man.
Yeah.
Don't need no energy drink.
What was your favorite part, man?
The airplane was pretty nice, just like kind of watching all the mountains. But once you when you first jump out, that's the best part. 'Cause that's when the realization sets in. You're jumping out of an airplane.
Yeah. Did you keep your eyes open? What color was the bottom of that airplane?
I don't know.
Dude, you absolutely killed it, man. That was an amazing jump. Thank you so much for jumping with us in Skydive, Colorado Springs. What's up?